Welcome students. Now we are going to discuss about nuclear pore complex. The spherical nucleus is enveloped by nuclear envelope. It contains two membranes, outer and inner nuclear membranes. In the nuclear envelope, some minute pores are present. They are known as nuclear pores. Nuclear pore complex perforate the nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope in all eukaryotes is perforated by large elaborate structures known as pore complexes. So it is one pore complex or nuclear pore complex. In animal cell, each pore complex is composed of more than 50 different proteins called as nucleoporins. They are arranged in octagonal symmetry. Here it is one nuclear pore complex. Here side view, nuclear envelope, outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. This is also outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. So in this pore structure, here outer ring and inner ring protein complexes are present. Here it is outside the nuclear envelope, cytoplasm side, and it is inside the towards the nucleus, nuclear side. So between these cytoplasm and nucleoplasm, a number of materials are transported from cytoplasm to nucleoplasm, nucleoplasm to cytoplasm through this nuclear pore complex. The number of pore complexes on the envelope is an indication of active nucleus. Generally, the nuclear envelope contains 3000 to 4000 pore complexes. In the nuclear pore complex, outer ring and inner ring. Here, outer ring and inner ring, here 8 cylindrical structures. Here in outer ring, 8 cylindrical structures circularly. Here we can see only 4, but here in ring manner 8 cylindrical structures are present, and in the inner ring also 8 cylindrical structures are present. In the central part, one central transporter or plug is present. Here in outer ring, the cylindrical structures are having fibril like structures towards the cytoplasm. Here the inner ring is also called as nuclear ring. From this nuclear ring, here also fiber like structures are present, 8, but here we can see only 6. Here 8 are present like a ring manner. So here it is called as nuclear cage, and at the end of these fiber like structures, here all these are attached to form a nuclear basket. It is the view of nuclear pore complex from the top. Here 8 rings are present, 8 protein complexes are present in a ring manner, and the central part is plug. It is the view of nuclear pore complexes from the side. Here also you can see the outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane, perinuclear space, and it is the pore. Here these are the protein complexes present like a ring manner, and here inner ring. Here also 8 protein complexes are present. So it is a central plug. So from outside inside means cytoplasm to nucleoplasm, so many proteins or other materials are imported into the nucleus, and from the nucleoplasm to cytoplasm some materials are exported into the cytoplasm. Through these pores, how the DNA, mRNA and other proteins or enzymes and ribosomal subunits, how they are transported or how they are imported and exported. So we will discuss in the next video.